Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the Miami Blue butterfly. This is the Miami Blue. It is a rather small butterfly and is not technically its own species per se. It is a distinct subspecies of the Thomas's blue butterfly. However, this species is exclusively found in Florida, in areas around Miami, but not entirely just in Miami. It is found in a couple other areas as well. Now, the Miami Blue has faced quite a high number of challenges, all of which have resulted in it becoming incredibly rare to see. Those being things such as habitat loss and fragmentation, where the viable habitat for these butterflies are greatly decreased, and the viable habitats that do remain for this butterfly to live and breed in are very few and far between, making it incredibly difficult for these separate populations to travel and meet up with one another in order to continue breeding and further the population. They are also affected by invasive species that have been introduced into the area as either competition or predation, as well as inadvertently pest control, mainly a lot of toxic pesticides that have been sprayed around largely in the 80s. It's been gradually reduced now, but to take care of the mosquito population in Florida. Now, the pesticide use is its own separate issue. It has been used quite extensively to take care of mosquitoes, specifically the yellow fever mosquito, which is still quite a large problem in Florida. So we do need ways to take care of the mosquitoes. However, unfortunately, some pest control measures have inadvertently taken out rare and native wildlife, such as the Miami Blue. Now, fortunately, there are conservation efforts that are being taken to help reboost the Miami Blue population. There are captive breeding programs happening at both the University of Florida, as well as the Florida Museum of Natural History, which are both working to breed caterpillars, which can then be released out into the wild, specifically into areas of national parks that are already protected and viable habitat for these butterflies. As far as I'm aware, these conservation efforts are currently going well, so hopefully we will see an increase in these butterflies in the near future.